Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the South American direction connection assignment, and it's really a simple assignment. You're going to need two things to complete this assignment. Number one, you'll need the actual assignment open. So here I am in the form. And then number two, you'll need a reference map. Now you can use any map of South America. I'm using the one from the warm up from this week that I posted on Tuesday. You could find a copy of this warm up under week 11 in Google Classroom. And I think I just titled it South America Political Map Warm-Ups, and it's got the little fire emoji on it. So find this warm-up document, and you can go in here to slide number 2, and there's a beautiful map of South America that you can then use to complete this assignment. Or you can just Google a map of South America too, if that's your preference. So let's just walk you through this. It's really simple. Basically, you must use your political map of South America to find the location that is described. You must spell the country correctly and begin each country with a capital letter. So spelling and capitalization are big here for this assignment. If you do not correctly spell or capitalize, Google will mark it as incorrect. I will mark it as incorrect. So just make sure that your spelling is extremely accurate. And that's easy because you can go to your map and look at the spelling right here in capitalization. So let's do a couple together. Well, let's just do one together because I don't want to give you all the answers. But so number one, it says from Uruguay, go west to. So I'm going to look at my map. I'm going to find Uruguay. Just kidding. I don't know if this screen's going to work. But from Uruguay, if I went west, I would run into Argentina. Okay, so what I would do for my answer is I would just write, let me make sure that's spelled correctly, Argentina, yep. So there you go. And then number two, from Bolivia, go north too. So we got to find Bolivia. If I travel due north to Bolivia, I would run right into Brazil. Okay, so I would just write Brazil. Okay, so it's a pretty easy assignment. It's just to kind of get you guys more familiar with the map. It's only about, 20 questions. When you're done, submit it. But just make sure that your capitalization and your spelling is on point. Otherwise, it's going to mark your answers incorrect. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. And I'm going to try to work myself out of the matrix. So wish me luck.